ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ಮಹಾಕುಂಭದ ಮೆಗಾ ಕವರೇಜ್ಗಾಗಿ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ 18 ತಂಡ ಪ್ರಯಾಗ್ರಾಜ್ನಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಮಹಾತ್ಮರನ್ನ ಭೇಟಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಮಾತನಾಡಿಸುವಂತ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲೊಬ್ಬರನ್ನ ನಾನು ಭೇಟಿಯನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಅವರು ಅಭಯ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಅವರ ಹೆಸರನ್ನ ಈಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು. ಅವರು ಕೆನಡಾದಲ್ಲೂ ಇದ್ರು, IIT ಇಂದನೂ ಬಂದಂತವರು, ಆದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿ ಭಕ್ತಿ ಮಾರ್ಗದಲ್ಲಿ ತಮ್ಮನ್ನು ತಾವು ಅರ್ಪಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಿರುವಂತವರು. ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಮಾತನಾಡಿಸುವಂತ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನವನ್ನ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
Namaskar.
Actually, you got a very beautiful smile.
Yeah, a lot of people say that.
Is that smile came through only through lips or by that contentment?
The smile is also a fake in a sense. I mean, real contentment is nothingness. So it's what we call now the blissful state is that is also kind of close to spirituality, but not it. Like real contentment will be like someone just sitting only, like no expressions.
ये नथिंगनेस के बारे में है ना, वो पूर्ण भी है और खाली भी है. इसमें आप क्या देखते हो उसमें? क्योंकि अगर पूर्ण है तो वो खाली नहीं हो सकते, खाली है तो पूर्ण नहीं हो सकते.
नहीं, एक्चुअली में आप जो बोल रहे हो वो उल्टा है. जो पूर्ण है वही खाली हो सकता है. जैसे like one of the example I give, like if there is a complete light or complete darkness, there is no difference. Because with the complete darkness you don't even know what is light. In complete light also you don't even know what is light. Because there is only light.
मगर कभी-कभी लगता है ना, जो डार्कनेस है वो शाश्वत है,
हाँ.
लाइट है वो फिनोमेना है.
अब वो उसको उल्टा भी देख सकते हो. वो बैकग्राउंड फोरग्राउंड वाली चीज है बेसिकली. कि तुमने जैसे साइकोलॉजिकल पीपल से नो, लाइक व्हाट डू यू सी इन दिस वन. सो a lot of people see the foreground picture, like psychologically. Some other people see the background form first. So which form you see first? Like, but finally it's like two have to play together, the light and dark.
मगर खाली होना डिफिकल्ट है या पूर्ण होना डिफिकल्ट?
खाली होना is पूर्ण होना ही. See, I give example now. It's like 0, then some number in between, like 13. Okay, and then infinity. So you can say nothing, something, and everything. Now, generally people try कि उनको everything, if they want to reach, then this something has to like keep adding. Like you have to keep adding knowledge, you have to keep adding money, you have to keep adding power to reach that infinity. Amarto, like to not die. So a lot of people, the rich people, they try to legacy, like worried about their legacy. Because they don't want to die in the mind of the people. They want to survive all the time. But then if you see it reverse, like if you know that something, what you are, then you can negate it and go to 0 first, and then 0 if you reciprocate, like then it is infinity only.
Then question arises: is death is end or is a birth?
Same, both.
Elaborate कीजिए.
Like one form has to die for another form to be born. Like in this world, even if I'm like moving my hand, I'm causing some change in the form of the air. So that is only happening. Like in the energy, if you see completely, like just say it's like a egg, Brahmand, like Brahmand, like Brahma ka egg. So if you see it completely, then it's like you will see like this energy actually like right in here. Then this is not empty space. Like this has a part to play in me also. So like it's balance in between. If I am dancing, the air is also dancing. Now because of the sensitivity, you don't feel it that much. But finally, it's like balance only it happens. Like all the words that are coming out of my mouth is like that balance. You are talking to universe directly. I told him like the same thing. The 3 ways you can talk. You can talk to yourself, you can talk to somebody, or you can talk to the universe. If these 3 ways are same, then basically your honesty will be established. That we call charitra. Like in your private also you say the same thing. Then nobody is watching. In your thought also, when you are thinking about yourself, you are saying the same thing. And when you are talking to someone, you are saying the same thing.
I am feeling you are slowly getting into depth of quantum physics.
Quantum physics is that only, no? Same. Like if you keep going deeper into the particles, but finally you have to understand in terms of the like science. No, what it is doing is it's saying that this physical universe has some reality. What you don't understand that the reality of this physical universe is created by here. Like, what about the scientist? What about the quantum scientist who is giving the quantum theory? How is he able to understand it? You get it? It's like subject and object. So we are focused more on understanding the object. But how is the subject actually understanding the object? Then subject only you need to understand. Like when I am thinking about quantum, how I am able to differentiate like this universe. Okay, I am looking at it in particles. Then I dissect. Then like when you see like what is mass, the reality there is no mass. It's like some property you saw in the universe, some pattern, and then you say, okay, this pattern, because we are pulled towards the earth, there must be something. There's something we call mass. Just similarly, then we observe another pattern. No, even if this property is same, still these are behaving differently. So there must be some other differentiation. Then we call charge. Like, okay, this is charge also. Charge and mass, all of these are like actually, again, like the buddhi or math, trying to differentiate the universe and trying to create a pattern to understand it. But that understanding can never reach to infinity. So you have to go reverse. Like you have to understand, okay, whatever you have accumulated is this much. Then if you minus this much, like if you are 30, if you minus 30, you will reach 0. And from 0, you can go to infinity. Otherwise, going to infinity takes t is equal to infinity. Like x is equal to infinity. If you want to go, how much time will we take? Infinite time. What is the logic in that? Like infinite time is what? Like you will never reach.
And you are speaking about self, a three way of communication, like speaking with self or others or with the universe. My Guruji used to say that Sumanagu Brahmanagu means be silent and be a Brahman. So is that path? How can we go into that kind of path?
No, it's
Being
that
a silent is not so easy.
If you are these three ways when you talk, basically these three when you say we are talking, but we are saying it's like karmic moments. So you are not basically you are separated from your inner dimensions. Because like you are thinking something and you are doing something else. So your physical reality separates from the mental reality. Like in mind, I think, okay, this guy is not good, but I am smiling. So now I have to remember two realities. Now my reality has separated into two instead of being into one. So when you start doing that, then your realities will start merging, which is called yoga, the same thing. Which your guru says, like achieving silence is that only. You keep doing yoga. You keep merging things together.
And there will be another question. See, getting into IIT is a dreams of crores of students in India, and going to Canada is like a dreams of. There are lots of people who find all kind of ways and things to reach there. But you experienced everything, and when did you realize that the truth or reality is something else, or is within you, than searching outside or getting into that materialistic pleasure?
And this I was never sure at first. But it's like when you really don't know anything, then you really go searching for it. It's like a pathless path, they call, no? So you really don't know. So what are you going to know? So for me, like in my life, it was like complete slap only. Like so people see that only. Like I went to IIT and all of this, but I went through a lot of like struggle also, no? Like I tell you, my home environment is completely like gone. The entire childhood was spent in like my father is beating like my mother like this. Now he's beating like this. Now this is the issue. Now that is the issue. In that you have to study for IIT. Think about that. Like how do you concentrate? That kind of atmosphere. And then so many like issues happen, like mental health problem. From there also, like I kept searching, like why is my mind working against myself? Like why is nobody giving me the answer? You go to a therapist, you're like, okay, this. Like what is the answer? Like why is it this happening? Tell me that. But nobody tells you like what is it? So then some answers you like I got from like I start listening to Sadhguru, and some answers I got from there. Like this basic construct which I now I'm very aware, but that time I was like, okay, achha, you can think it like this also. Like this is how our body is constructed. And then like after when nothing was there, like in COVID I was in Canada. I was in Canada, people think it's a funny, like very good place. It's a cold place, minus 10 degrees, you cannot go outside. You have to stay inside only. And then COVID was there. So anyways you cannot go outside.
See, I wonder this kind of means Canada also cold, Himalaya also cold, but there is a vibration.
Vibration in it.
Entirely different in the same cold days. Did you experience that?
Himalaya cold is very different. No, there the cold is like windy cold. Like it's very different energy. So when you say Himalaya, no, it's more like Earth congregation. Earth congregation means like what is Himalaya? Like एक धरती थोड़ी एक बीच में ऊपर तो उठी हुई है वही तो है. बहुत बड़ा सा पत्थर है ये मान लो. बहुत बड़ा सा पत्थर हो गया भाई एक बीच में खड़ा हो गया. तो दैट बड़ा सा पत्थर मीन्स व्हाट? लाइक ए लॉट ऑफ अर्थ एलिमेंट. अर्थ तत्व जिसको बोलते हैं ना, पृथ्वी तत्व. तो उसकी वजह से वहाँ पे पृथ्वी की ऊर्जा बहुत ज्यादा हो जाती है. फिर वहाँ पे जैसे नदियां बहती है तो पानी की ऊर्जा होता है. तो वो एक कंटेंट काइंड ऑफ एनवायरमेंट बन जाता है वहाँ पे. But in Canada it was different. Like obviously in forest if you go there, the energy you can find there also, natural energy. Because it's when in summers it's like largely inhabited, so a lot of natural places like. But obviously Himalaya, the yogis also have done a lot of tapas. So much energy is there, like Shukshma. Certain energies you always store. Kailash is there.
And while you are explaining to my colleague regarding that feminism or feminist experience or feeling, you gave an example of your nails. That's you left your nails for to get that kind of mentality of feminism or some
Yeah.
Alankara, and even Vishnu is Alankara Priya. But I wonder, is that outside kind of things or outside feeling or that aropa, what we say, like Alankara or something, is it that so important, or it's getting into yourselves or getting into that mindset is so important? I'm just searching on that.
Both are important in a sense. Like physically also you need to see like how someone lives their life. How would you know? So see, that is basically the formula of rebirth. You are come as a human. Now you differentiate all of these forms. Okay, this is a dog. This is like an animal. This is a tree. This is a river. This is this. This is that. But you don't. From here, not only that you don't know what is being human means, you don't even know what being dog means. How would you know? It's a first person perspective. The dog is feeling a subjective perspective, seeing life from his own angle. From a human, I can only project from outside. So to really live, sometimes obviously some physical stuff that you do, it helps. That, okay, yeah, so maybe this is the difficulty I will face. Like in long nails, a lot of things, like eating also, you have to eat by one hand only now. Because otherwise you need to clean and maintain. Cutting also, like, it comes in between. Like, how do you manage it? Like, so how do like someone who lives like very beautiful life or very beautiful body manages themselves? It means they must require a lot of people around. Or how would they do it? Like, so, sometimes you need to do it. Sometimes mentally also you can understand it. So it's like that somebody says something to me like, okay, can you imagine doing this?
No.
If I can imagine doing this in my mind, then mentally I have done it. So let's say you say, okay, can you go in Himalayas and stay naked for 5 years? Then mentally I will be like, oh, no, very difficult. Right? The mental obstruction is there. No, I cannot do it. But if that mental is not there, yeah, we'll do it. Then mentally you have done it. The mentally the work is done without really doing it in physical. But sometimes some work you need to do in physical also to complete it.
I hope through your words, our audience also getting a lots of new things to learn or new perspective to look into at least. So thanks a lot for joining us.
Yeah, no problem. Namaskara.
ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಮಾತುಕತೆ ಅಭಯ್ ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದಂಥ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ವಿಚಾರಗಳು ಒಂದು ವಿಜ್ಞಾನದ ವಿಚಾರದಲ್ಲಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಆಧ್ಯಾತ್ಮಿಕವಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಒಳ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆ ಇರುವಂಥವರು, ಒಳ ಚಿಂತನೆ ಇರುವಂಥವರಿಗೆ ಬರುವಂತಹ ಮಾತುಗಳು, ಆ ಒಂದು ಯೋಚನೆಗಳು, ಅಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಂಚಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ಇದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಇದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ಚಿಂತನೆಯನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂತ ವಿಚಾರಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅಂತ ಭಾವಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಯಾಮರಾಮನ್ ಶಿವಪ್ಪ. ನೋಡ್ತೀರಿ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ 18 ಕನ್ನಡ.